Ramadan is the most important month in the Islamic calendar and something that is observed mostly here in Doha, Qatar. Once the sun sets, evenings are a very social time with restaurants booked out far in advance and incredible feasts to break the fast. I'm often invited to different events after work and had the opportunity to visit some amazing places. But today, what I'm going to feature is the staff iftar for our company InterContinental Doha. This is an annual iftar event which is hosted by the InterContinental Doha and attended by our staff together with our senior management team. The annual iftar reception is a gathering not only to celebrate the holy month of Ramadan, but also to recognize the contribution of the employees to the growth of the organization. At InterContinental Doha, we value the importance of our associates and take this opportunity to connect and strengthen our relationship with our multicultural staff through the spirit of sharing during the holy month of Ramadan. This is our way of thanking everyone as we continue to move forward to achieve our common goals as one team.